Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Amazon Fire Stick TV 4K. Now you can pick this up from firestickusa.com. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $75. Now I know what you're getting ready to say. Why would I buy this from firestickusa.com for $75 when I could just go on Amazon and get the same one for $50? Well, once I show you this website and I show you all the extra features that you get with this version, you're going to understand why this is the best extra $25 you ever spent in your life. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building. Fresh off the birthday party. White Shoes, calm down. All right, so let's take it over to the website. $75, this is what you're going to get. All right, so here's firestickusa.com. It's an official website. Now, you've noticed they got two different versions, one for $60 and one for $75. I'll go over the differences in a minute. Now, you're wondering, why the extra $25? Check this out. Unlimited TV series for free. Unlimited movies, free. In-theater movies, free. All sports packages, free. That includes the NFL, the NBA, MLB, NHL, UFC, free. All pay-per-view fights, free. Now check this out. No monthly fee, just a one-time fee for the device. So what does that mean? Say goodbye to your cable, say goodbye to Netflix, say goodbye to Amazon, say goodbye to all your paid subscriptions. Everything is included for free. The only requirement is a Wi-Fi connection or a cell phone hotspot. Now you get over 300 premium live TV channels, again, all for free. That's all of the major networks. International live TV channels, free. That includes Mexico, India, Canada, UK, and more. Now, if you join the Facebook group, you get 24-hour customer support. This is insane. Here's all your standard features. Now, basically everything that you get from a brand new Amazon Fire Stick TV. Wi-Fi connectivity, cloud storage, supports all your different formats. You get warranty with this one now. 1 year limited warranty, or you can purchase 2 or 3 year warranties. Now here's the difference in the price. If you don't have a 4K TV, you don't need a 4K Fire Stick. You can just get the 1080p version. That one's going to run you $60. But if you got a 4K TV, get the 4K version, $75. What's the difference between the two? Like I said, one is 4K, one is 1080p. But with the 4K one, the processor is slightly faster. All right, it's quad core, clocked at 1.7 gigahertz. On the 1080p version, it's quad core, clocked at 1.3. Now, even if you don't have a 4K TV, you can still get the 4K stick if you want a faster processor. Now, I'll set this up on my TV. We'll go through all of the features. This has the new Amazon remote. If you notice, it has volume controls now, and it has Alexa built in. Join the Facebook group, 24-hour customer support. This is insane. All right, so let's unbox this real quick. I'll take it upstairs, connect it to my TV, and we'll breeze through the features. Here we go. 4K Fire Stick TV. Let's see what's included. You got your Fire Stick, your Alexa voice remote, 2 AA batteries, your power adapter, USB cable, and an HDMI extender cable. What's needed? Just the internet. Okay, let's see. You got Alexa, 4K Ultra HD, high dynamic range, Dolby Vision, quad core, support your latest Wi-Fi format. Okay, so let's see what you get inside the box. Got your usual books and shit. Plug them and file them. This is going to be micro USB cable, USB-A, micro USB. Here's your power brick. Now here's your updated Alexa remote. Volume controls. You got your voice remote. Now you have power. You can turn the power on and off from the remote. You got back home menu, skip, reverse, play, volume up and down, and mute. 2 AA batteries included. And this is going to be your Fire Stick. So this is all you're going to need. All right, so you're going to connect this right to your TV, right in the HDMI slot. Then you're going to plug in this cable right here, just like this. Bear with me, y'all. All right, you're going to plug this in, plug it into your TV, and plug this into the power. This is all you need to have unlimited movies, TVs, all kind of entertainment. You do have access to the web, So you got all your YouTube videos, web browsing, all your scumbag activities, everything included for 75 bucks. This is pretty dope. All right, so that's pretty much it for the unboxing. Let's see, did I miss anything? Oh, here's your HDMI cable extender. And that's it. All right, so now I'm gonna pause the video. I'm gonna go upstairs, connect it to the TV, and let's breeze through some of the menus and check out some of these movies. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we back in. Now I got this all set up, so now let's test it out. Now for the setup process, real simple. You're gonna plug the Fire Stick into your TV's HDMI port. Then you're gonna plug the power into the wall, go back to your TV, put it on HDMI, and this is the screen that's gonna pop up. Then you're gonna go over the settings, put in your Wi-Fi information. After that, you all set up. Now check this out. Say I wanna watch a movie. I got the remote in my hand. I'm gonna hit the mic. Let's search for Robin Hood. Robin Hood. Now here's Robin Hood on Amazon. Let's click on that. That's $15. Now say I want to watch it for free. Check this out. Let's go back home. Now you're going to go down to this burning house icon. Open that up. Go over to Cinema HD. Let's click on that. Wait for everything to load up. Now here's all your movies. Now if you go on the top, you hit the search. You got now playing, upcoming, top rated, new HD releases, action, adventure, fantasy, sci-fi, horror, documentaries, all your different categories. But if you notice, scroll down a little bit, you see Robin Hood right here. Let's click on Robin Hood. Wait for this to load up. You're waiting for that play button. All right, there's the play button. Click on that. Let's hit play. Now let's just start over. Now we're watching Robin Hood for free. And look at the quality of this. This is 1080p. This is the actual movie. Yeah, I know my favorite price is $3.99. All right, let's skip a little bit.
Bob.
Here's the movie.
But it doesn't begin with the thief.
Now, on a side note, this TV right here that I'm testing this out is trash. So the picture looks a little grainy, but this is a 4K stick. If I put it on my real 4K TV, it's gonna look beautiful. Let's go back home. All right, so now let's take it back to the burning house icon. Let's say we want to watch some live TV. Let's go to Mob Dro. We'll click on this. Let's go to channels. Here's all your TV channels. BET, you got Lifetime, Hallmark, all the Discovery channels, Showtime, CBS, Sci-Fi, you name it. Anything you want to see. Let's click on Animal Planet. And here it is. This is actual live TV. Let's exit back out of this. Let's see, you got Spike TV, Comedy Channel, basically everything. All right, so let's exit out of this one. Now you also got, let's go to TV Tap. Hit accept. Now check this out. This is, again, all your different TV channels, all your different countries. There's basically too much for me to go through in one video. Play with it yourself. You're gonna find what you're looking for. Let's go back home. Now, say we want to watch YouTube. I'm gonna use the remote control. I'm gonna hit the mic. YouTube Flossy Carter. Click on YouTube. There it is. Let's check out one of the videos. Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today is a
Just like that.
It's Xerxes, aka White Shoes, aka The Shoes. Let's pause that. Alright, now you also have all your standard Alexa features. Grab the remote, hit the microphone. What's the weather in New York City?
Right now in New York, it's 34 degrees Fahrenheit with cloudy skies. Today's forecast has partly sunny weather, with a high of 44 degrees and a low of 34 degrees.
Who won the Knicks game?
Last night the Knicks lost to the 76ers, 126 to 111. They'll play tonight at 6:30 p.m. away against the Hawks. Did that answer your question?
Ask it anything you want, right from the remote. Now you can also play music. Play some Mobb Deep.
Getting Mobb Deep station from iHeartRadio.
Now that's just the station. If I want to, I can search for individual songs. Now on a side note, everybody that buys one of these Fire Sticks is going to get a link to this YouTube video. I'll also leave it up in the description. This is basically just a walkthrough, and it's going to show you how to use every single one of the apps.
So I'm going to do an overview of the most important things you need to know to use your Fire Stick. So,
like I said, I'll leave it up in the description. Now let's say we want to watch some sports. Let's go back to the burning house. Let's go back to Mobdro. Let's go to sports. And here's what we got. ESPN, ESPN2, ESPN News. We got football, baseball, golf. You name it. Let's see if we can find something different. Let's see if we got any basketball on tonight. Matter of fact, let's look for NBA TV.
You have it going on. Bradley Beal, 28 with 11 assists. Hit the three to cut it to three.
Now you just got to wait for it to load up.
Too much of Siakam. Beal. Mouse in a house and a spin.
NBA TV for free.
But everybody else staying home. They're just so afraid of the three-point line. They don't want to
This is sick.
too deep and help out.
Kyle Lowry knows.
Now, say you want to watch Bird Box on Netflix. There's two things you could do. First, you can go to Netflix and pay some money and sign up for a Netflix account, or we can watch it for free. Let's go back to the burning house. Let's go to Cinema HD. Let's go to the search. Bird Box. And there it is. Wait for that play button. Hit play. Wait for it to load up. And now we're watching Bird Box for free. This is a go. There it is.
We have a place,
And look at the quality.
a compound. We have a community. It's
Nothing like free movies. All right, one more thing I wanted to show y'all, and this is what I use the most. Let's go back on the burning house. Let's go to Cyberflix TV. Binge watching some of my favorite shows. Now let's see. Let's say I want to watch Family Guy. We click on Family Guy. You got every season and every episode. That's pretty sick. Now say you want to watch one of your old shows from back in the days that's not on TV anymore. Let's go to search. One of my favorite shows. Let's see if I can find it. Let's go. Let's do Dr. Katz. Dr. Katz. Check this out. 1995. We got every season and every episode. let's click on season 4. All of the episodes of Dr. Katz. This is a go. All right, so you've seen it for yourself. $75 for all of this unlimited entertainment. This is a major, major, major go. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise. Spock here.
Spock won the beam up.
Affirmative, Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize. Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Aftershokz Trek Air. Now these are wireless bone conducting headphones.